Let's talk about few important aspects of environment and ecology. Biodiversity. This term was given by E.O. Wilson. E.O. Wilson has given or coined this term biodiversity. The next one is biodiversity hotspot. This term was given by or coined by Norman Myers in 1988. In the same year, IPCC was also established, that is Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Biodiversity hotspot Norman Myers in 1988. Conservation International. Conservation International. As per Conservation International (CI), two quantitative criteria for a region to qualify as a hotspot. So what are these two criteria or these two quantitative criteria? So the first one is at least 1500 species of vascular plants should be present as endemic. At least 1500 species of vascular plants should present as endemic. This one is the first criteria. The second one, the particular region should have lost equal to and more than 70%, more than and equal to 70% of its original native habitat. So these are the two criteria for being declared as biodiversity hotspot as per Conservation International. And as we know that there are almost 36 biodiversity hotspot in India, around the world. In India it is only 4. The number is 4. 36 biodiversity hotspot around the world. And these 36 biodiversity hotspot having more than 50% of the world's endemic plant species. So there are 36 biodiversity hotspots across the world, and these hotspots having more than 50% of the world's endemic plant species. And some important facts about this biodiversity hotspot is 43% of birds, mammals, reptile, and amphibian. 43% of birds, mammals, reptile, and amphibian species as endemic. First one is more than 50% of the world's endemic plant species. This is regarding plant. And the next one is birds. 43% of the birds, mammals, reptiles, and amphibian species as endemic in these 36 biodiversity hotspots. In India, there are 4 biodiversity hotspots. The first one is Himalaya. Second one is Western Ghats. Third one is Indo-Burma region. And the fourth one is Sunda land. So India is having 4 biodiversity hotspots as per Conservation International. Now it's time to revise all these facts. Biodiversity, the term was given by E.O. Wilson. Biodiversity hotspot, the term was given by Norman Myers in 1988. As per Conservation International, the 2 quantitative criteria for hotspots. First one is at least 1500 species of vascular plants should present as endemic, and the second one is it should have lost equal to and more than and equal to 70% of its original native habitat. There are 36 biodiversity hotspots around the world, and these 36 hotspots having more than 50% of the world's endemic plant species and 42% of the birds, mammals, reptiles, and amphibian species as endemic. India is having 4 biodiversity hotspots: Himalaya, Western Ghats, Indo-Burma, and Sunda land. This one is native, this one is original native habitat.